Now, just come to an animation avatar drawing method seriously. Turn around and come out first. You don't need a special circle for this circle, just feel round. To determine the middle line of the facial features for the face, it leans in. Use it first. It's a straight line. There's a triangle drawn here. For yours, please confirm roughly first. This is his face. Let's chin half on the top of his head. It's about here. Find his. The position of the eyelids on the eye. His upper eyelids can be located here. If you draw a line below, it's his. The position of the lower eyelid. He's the tall with one eye. You can use to pass numbers. Set the size of his eyes. Come out. His eyes are about this big. There are upper eyelids to half of the chin and we set. That's not. Bottom of the nose to the chin halfway we set this mouth, or a little bit on the side of half. The nose should be turned a little bit in the middle line because this face is a bit. The sloping one is not in the middle here. At this time, you can fix this face shape. Put this. Straight line. Use an arc to turn it. You can modify it. The chin doesn't need to be so pointed. You can feel it by looking at the whole face shape. His eyebrows you can go up are a figure of 8. You can too, right? In this way, it is often upturned or downturned. It's all okay. This is his head shape. If you have eyes, you can. At this point, you can be a little more specific. Take a shape of the eye. His black eyes are relatively large, just a little bit if you have the whites of your eyes. Come here. As a whole, fan, is that an arc? Then the painting here is also an ellipse. When you draw this ellipse, compare it with this, just a little bigger than this. Compare with him. Just feel a little bigger than him. It's the shape of his eye. For the neck, you can have a girl's neck. It is no problem to draw a little thinner. Words here. Now we're going to have to change this here. Ears come here. This step will, right, a little bit more accurate. Whole head shape. Now we need to find his ringworm. The position is drawn to this hair. This hair roll, right? Let's cover the hair on the front first. The whole thing. It's a semicircle. It's a shape. So this one, we cover a big chunk. There are two sides and then there is a concurrency. You can come over here a little bit. There will be a shape with a concurrent long bar on both sides. Now I'm using this hardboard, so it's kind of shallow. That color, if the softening in your use, it will be very dark. There are also here, symmetry column. If he is here, it will be blocked by the front base. Block a bit. Then there is the layer one. Layer than this. The brain is a little bigger. This head can be a little bigger than this. This circle. Give him some distance. Inside the artery, the back of his head is a little bigger. Some people, he can draw very tall. If it is high, if he has a lot of hair volume, you can draw it here. If some shipments are small, you can draw them here. Closer to the scalp. It's all okay. It's all fine. In that case, it's rough. You can, right? Hurry up and set his shoulder width horizontally. And then as a triangle. It can be shaped into a triangle. Connect to here. This triangle will be a little flat. Girl words. This triangle is equivalent to his open muscle. Is to compare. Small. Boys can do it. This one is upturned and drawn very high. The trapezius muscle is developed. Then add this dress. Wear this sweater. This is one of his sketches, the rough shape. This one is just relax a little bit. This is his original manuscript.